Yes, sir.
We can eat 2 metre plus waves.
Rather inconvenience circumstances.
Well, here we are. We've had the grand départ, as they say in this part of the world. We have left Antibes. We're sailing in, so far, what is pretty much a straight line to Ibiza. I've got the crew here, well, some of the crew. One of them is downstairs having a little nap. So anyway, all is going well so far. We've got loads of fuel, loads of water, a couple of beers just in case, weather permits, and everything is good. It'd be nice to get the engine off, as you can hear. Got one of the sails up. We put down the jib because that was roughing a bit because we're kind of straight into, our nose is straight into the wind now. Cool. That's nice. Cheers. Oh no, that's a dry nose. It lives! It lives!
I'm jumping jet versions and yes.
It's all been kicking off here. The seas have picked up massively. Full forecast, these are 2 metre plus waves. Gusting, 25 knots of wind. People wanting to come sailing, and everyone's happy. Two reefs, jib, half in size.
The excitement continues. We're still going. This is like 10 minutes later. It's actually quite hard work. What we're being so careful of is that we don't want to lose it. Still fighting, Mark? Yeah. It must be knackered. We've been doing this for some time now. Yes, sir.
We can eat.
We got ourselves the hunters. Well, it's been dragged behind a boat for an hour, you'd be dead.
We've been trying to get in for an hour.
Big old trap. What do we do now? And hunt it down at there.
Yep.
Look, nuts. There.
Cook the boat, have a bite.
Rather inconvenience circumstances. After a spot of engine trouble.
We've just left Port Andrax. Just a little glass. And then we put our life vests on. It has been absolutely fantastic. The winds look very, very favourable, and with a bit of luck will take us all the way to Ibiza. In the unlikely event that we do get an engine issue, at least we'll be able to deal with it in Ibiza. Well, just a little bit of video next installment from this little babe we found in Ibiza. Let me give you an idea of where we are, because it is absolutely iconic. It really is absolutely. So we've had Paul, CJ, Bella and Anand on the boat today. That was absolutely fantastic. Snap up lunch, falling asleep for about an hour. And then go ashore and find out what's going on that beach later. Well, it's fascinating. I don't know how we're going to get there yet. Swimming or paddleboards or tender. We've never blown up yet.
We are trying, or Rob is trying, to put the tender up more later if we have success.
Off we go. Oh, fun! You're now going to annoy lots of other people. Give me a break. Morning!
Morning.
Exploring on our toy.
Afternoon. Well, next instalment. Oh, Dominic working hard, looking out for where we're going to drop him off. Lee, I think, is making a call, and Bromley is trying to get some sleep. However, I think it's rather unlikely he's getting any sleep when I show you why.
Softly in the evening dusk, a woman is singing to me. She takes me back down the east above me until I see.
And it's
I see a child
blowing a hoolie,
beneath the
but
piano when
unfortunately it's right on our nose, so we can't sail and we can't even make the most of it, because we're trying to make the best time possible. But anyway, everyone's fine and dandy. Flying fish over there. We've been eating well. CJ's food is delicious. What did we have for lunch? Scrambled egg and guacamole.
Morning everyone, we are in Almira, dropping Don off so he can get a flight. He was hoping to get the earlier flight, but he's now getting the slightly later flight as there's been some rough weather. So we are moored up. We've all had showers and we're all feeling human again. That's Don at the front just filling the boat up with water whilst Rob uses the water up whilst having a shower. So we've topped up with fuel. We've topped up the jerry cans as well, and we are in the most beautiful port, he says, lying. We're going to go on to land and we're going to go and get some coffees and maybe a croissant or something to eat before we then set sail for Malaga, which is about another 24 hours from now. For the animal lovers, there's a black cat.
my heart beats with the ceaseless longing of a yearning to belong. To the melodies of childish days, or like a child for the part. Sing cuckoo-coo, cuckoo-coo. Sing cuckoo-coo, cuckoo-coo.
Well, you're not going to believe this. This is the back of the boat. And these are dolphins that are right up at the back of the boat. We stopped the boat.
Who smiles at him as she sings. Listen to me, son, I'll tell you why your father's strong.
Morning everyone. Well, this is a few minutes before the Grand Départ, as they say en France. Had a nice evening in Gibraltar. It's down to myself, Bromley, and Paul. Lee left us this morning. He's flown home, but he was on great form. We've also had Dominic, who was fantastic. Made a great effort to come and join us for a couple of days, straight back from holiday and then straight back into the thick of work. We've had all sorts of conditions right across. We went through the middle of the Mistral, right in the middle of the Med. We come down the Rhone Valley. We went straight across that. We then had engine failure. Got towed into Port Andrax in Mallorca. Stayed there overnight. Then went to Ibiza. Had a lovely time there. And then we sailed all the way to Gibraltar. Arrived yesterday. Had one night steak meal, and now I should say we are on our way down to Lanzarote, down the coast of Morocco. So we're very much looking forward to that. It's always exciting, the first, or just before you leave. Obviously doing all the stuff you'd expect to do, cleaning the boat, filled up with water, got more mayonnaise and tuna than we know what to do with. Energy bars, full fat Coke. The ceremony of raising the Moroccan courtesy flag with our Lloyd's Yacht Club Virgie. I think it was still there underneath. Rules is rules. Oh yes, Romney's just coming up. He's just been having a nap. So, the ceremony. I don't know the Moroccan royal anthem, national anthem. So, people, this is Morocco.
Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I got to do. I ramble on. Now the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years till the day. Ramble on.
All the sails up. Everything's good. We're out of the shipping lanes. We're looking now for fishing boats, fishing pots off the coast of Morocco. And of course, heading into the Atlantic. Okay, so in the background, that is Cap Spartel. That is the point at which North Africa becomes West Africa. We're going down the coast. Paul is obviously doing a great job helming. Here I am, I'm on watch alone. The sun has just come up. Can't see the Moroccan coast from where I am. Pretty busy night, there's lots of ships passing, but it's been okay, really. The technology is working well. The wind has died, so we've only got the wind speed now, just over 3 down to 2.5 knots. So we have to put the engine on. We have to be careful about how much we use the engine, because of course we haven't got limitless fuel. Morning! I know, before you say it, I am wearing the same clothes. We're having a fry up, the one that's pushing up. Oh gosh, Monday morning.
Yeah. At the wheel. Easy and nice Sunday rest. Sure, you can see this. Just, yeah. There's a little bird that's joined us. Well, that wasn't planned, but we've got a little bird with us. I'm quite sure. We're just getting out. There we go, there we go. It's alright, that's okay, don't worry, don't stress. Let's open up this. He's in your cabin.
Oh, great. Sitting everywhere,
No, not yet. Now, this bird is either very, very friendly, or
I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways.
list of
The tribute and the
Bob's just caught a bird.
For love is blind and you're far too kind.
He's about to show you his magic trick.
I wish that I knew what
Here we go. Maybe we can see him.
was younger.
Or
I
her.
wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, the candy signs are pretty sure to steal your heart away.
Plumage, beautiful plumage.
The dressing rooms are great. They come on strong and it ain't too long, but I make you feel mad. The love is blind and you soon will find you're just a boy again. When you wanna live,
What is it today? Tuesday morning. These are the sorts of things that we have to
if you want some
miss during the middle of the night.
sleep, did you twinkling with the stars?
Good evening. Well, it's Tuesday evening. We have had a great day sailing. It started off a bit slow. We needed the motor, but just as the forecast said, it's been super accurate. And it has really picked up nicely. The swell is there. It's just as you imagine, but it's not uncomfortable. The boat seems to be dealing with it very, very well. Let me give you a picture of the sea. Rob?
I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger,
Spectacular evening and afternoon of sailing. We are making up a massive amount of time, so we are going to be, hopefully, all things being well, in Lanzarote tomorrow early afternoon. Okay, well, here we are. We're about an hour away from the marina, but we've been going down the coast of Lanzarote before we get there. It is actually a stunning coastline. Let me give you a little taste. So yeah, all we've got to do now, report in, park up, get the boat ready, and we'll all be seeing you soon.